Hey beautiful people, I'm here on this glorious beach in Elitom. Just been for a swim in the ocean. About to go to a workshop with a guy who is breatharian called Elitom. Claims he's had no food, no water, breatharian for about 20 years, living purely off the Prana of the earth. How about that? I've been studying breatharianism now for around 4 years. I find it absolutely fascinating. I've done lots and lots of fasting, and this is like a guy who's actually living it. I've never met a breatharian before, first time. There's lots of them all over the planet. But yeah, he's running a workshop here in Mexico. I'm gonna go check it out. Sending you so much love wherever you are. Really feeling to share and remind you just how beautiful this game is that we call life. I believe it is a game. You can go on my YouTube channel, Luke Scott Official, and check out my video I did about is this a simulated reality? It's called Do You Even Exist? Are we even real? Simulation theory. I think it's a pretty wild game we live in. I think you can be breatharian if you want to, and whatever you believe is true.